Hello and welcome back to Easy Spanish for Real Life. I'm so excited you're here today because we're going to learn something incredibly useful. We're going to master 40 essential Spanish words that you absolutely need to know. These aren't just random words. These are the words native speakers use every single day. Words for family, food, time, feelings, and basic needs. By the end of this video, you'll be able to talk about your life, express yourself, and understand Spanish conversations much better. And here's how we're going to learn. I'll say each word 3 times. First in English, so you understand the meaning. Then in Spanish, so you hear the real pronunciation. And finally, I'll break down the pronunciation slowly, so you can repeat it perfectly. Ready? Let's start with family words. These are super important because talking about family is one of the first things you do when meeting someone. Number 1, mother, madre, madre. Number 2, father, padre, padre. Oh. Number 3, sister, hermana, hermana. Number 4, brother, hermano, hermano. Number 5, son, hijo, hijo. Number 6, daughter, hija, hija. Number 7, husband, esposo or marido, so or marido. Number 8, wife, esposa or mujer, esposa or mujer. Number 9, child or children, niño, niña or niños, niño, niña or niñas. Number 10, family, familia, familia. Perfect. Now you can talk about your family in Spanish. Next, let's learn food and drink words. You'll use these every day when eating or ordering food. Number 11, water, agua, agua. Number 12, bread, pan, pan. Number 13, meat, carne, carne. Number 14, fish, pescado, pescado. Number 15, rice, arroz, arroz. Number 16, chicken, polo, pollo. Number 17, vegetables, verduras or vegetales, verduras or vegetales. Number 18, fruit, fruta, fruta. Number 19, egg, huevo, huevo. Number 20, milk, leche, leche. Excellent, you're doing amazing. Now let's learn time-related words. These help you talk about when things happen. Number 21, today, hoy, hoy. Number 22, tomorrow, mañana, mañana. Number 23, yesterday. Ayer, ayer. Number 24, now. Ahora, ahora. Number 25, later. Después or luego. Daimiernes p or lu-eh, go. Number 26, always, siempre, siempre. Number 27, never, nunca, nunca. Okay, perfect timing for a quick pause. If you're finding this video helpful, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button right now. It really helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to more Spanish learners. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. I create videos like this every week, and you don't want to miss them. Also, comment below and tell me which word has been the most useful so far. All right, let's continue. Now, let's learn words about feelings and states. These help you express how you feel. Number 28, happy, feliz or contento. Feliz or contento. Number 29, sad, triste, triste. Number 30, tired, cansado, cansado. Number 31, hungry, hambriento, or tengo hambre, hambre, or tengo hambre. Number 32, thirsty, sediento or tengo sed, sediento, or tengo sed. Number 33, hot, caliente or tengo calor, caliente or tengo calor. Number 34, cold, frío or tengo frío, frío or tengo frío. Number 35, sick, enfermo, enfermo. Great. Finally, let's learn some essential everyday words that you'll use constantly. Number 36, house or home, casa or hogar, casa or hogar. Number 37, work, trabajo, trabajo. Number 38, school, escuela, escuela. Number 39, store or shop, tienda, tienda. Number 40, money, dinero, dinero. Amazing! You just learned 40 essential Spanish words. Let's do a super quick review of some key ones. Mother is madre, father is padre, water is agua, bread is pan, today is hoy, tomorrow is mañana. Happy is feliz, tired is cansado, house is casa, money is dinero. You know what? I'm really proud of you. Learning 40 words in one video is a big accomplishment. These aren't just any words. These are the foundation words that native speakers use in everyday life. With these 40 words, you can already talk about your family, order food, express your feelings, and discuss basic daily activities. Here's what I want you to do next. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. That's not how language learning works. You need to practice. So, here's your homework. Pick 10 words from this video. Just 10. Write them down on a piece of paper or in your phone. And practice saying them out loud 3 times each. Do this today, right after watching this video. And here's an extra challenge. Try to use at least 3 of these words in a real sentence this week. For example, if you learned the word agua, try saying quiero agua, which means I want water. If you learned familia, try saying mi familia es grande, which means my family is big. The key is to actually use the language, not just study it. Now, before you go, I need your help with something. If this video was useful to you, please give it a thumbs up. That one little click makes a huge difference. It helps YouTube recommend this video to other people who are learning Spanish, just like you. Second, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do it now. Click that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I post beginner-friendly Spanish videos every single week. Videos with vocabulary, phrases, pronunciation tips, and everything you need to start speaking Spanish confidently. Third, leave me a comment. Seriously, I read every single comment. Tell me which word from today's video you're most excited to use. Or tell me what kind of vocabulary you want to learn next. Do you want to learn colors? Body parts? Emotions? Travel phrases? Let me know in the comments, and I'll create that video for you. And finally, remember this. Learning Spanish is a journey. It's not about being perfect. It's not about knowing every single word. It's about progress. And by watching this video and learning these 40 words, you've made real progress today. You're closer to your goal of speaking Spanish than you were 12 minutes ago. That's something to be proud of. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. I truly appreciate you being here. Keep practicing these 40 words. Say them out loud. Use them in sentences. And most importantly, believe in yourself. You can do this. You're going to speak Spanish. Hasta la próxima. Until next time. Keep practicing. Keep learning. And I'll see you in the next video. Adios.